Nah, man, I lie. Yo, big on Lionfoot TV. This is London Art Radio every Friday. What we say?
Welcome to Lionfoot TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Bless 11 greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queen, lion and lioness. Good morning, wherever you are in the world. I listen to that vlog, yeah. Big up on yourself. I hope may the Lord guide and protect you, you know what I mean, and bless you in whatever you do. And remember, do good and good will follow you, see? Yeah, man. Don't try attain any dirty art, any bad ways in your mind and system, because it's not good. Yeah, man, it will make your days cut shorter, is it? Yes, my viewers and subscribers, coming up in this episode, yeah. Such man a go on a strike channel, so you know, Bounty Killer make a post. Yeti Boss TV, one of the victims them, you know what I mean? So Bounty Killer made a post and I say, yo, this I get serious and personal. Is it? We also showing our visuals with a brother just come out of prison. And if you want to see how him run and hug up him Empress. But we are forward after the break.
Hey, you ready, Lionfoot? I don't know if I real as I represent the builders link up. We build this, we don't break down. You ever know we don't break down nothing. For the man and build, start from the ground floor. What? I'm a them for know the party at the business to this. Can you what? But like Ronald, don't want me skillful like Messi. Build you over the free, kick hard ball, them are go get it. Skull tear, landslide. Builders promotion. Say that gone, you know. 15th of July.
But them know Yeti Boss represent the 15th of July. You don't know, builders birthday bash on a rollout. Or ladies on a rollout, in a helmet, on a color vest. You don't know. Builders link up and we have limited £10 and £15 tickets. You don't know. Rollout. Live performance by big artists. Up and running.
You hear that? I mean, we are party and we not stop.
Yes, welcome back. Builders, big up yourself. Real Scale 45, big up yourself. Team Flex, big up yourself. Don't know the 15th of July. Yes, when I say builders party, then it's a roll out. I don't know builders support everybody, so we shall return the favor. See? A nice party, live performance on the night. But anyway, my viewers and subscribers, we're going to show right now Yeti Boss TV, one of the latest victims got struck by such man, you know? Such man go around. I tell you, such man bitter, can't take losing. You know what I say? And even if you review the song in favor of Bounty, the clash are going, you're going to still get strike, you know what I mean? So, you see, so just be careful of what I do. You see what I say? Yeah, man, I do a thorough cleanup on my page still. You see me? Yeah, man, so this is how YouTubers say, you know what I mean? Due to a copyright takedown notice that we received, we had to take down your video from YouTube. And you can see everything when you see blackout, a such man name and thing, you know what I mean? Yes, so. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, so you see, a whole heap of channel suffered, you know what I mean? By the hands of the wicked, you see me? The sour loser. But anyway, Bounty Killer made a post, and this way Bounty Killer say, see what he's doing to people's livelihood? That's why this has to be over now. It ain't going to end lovely, folks. It's going to get really personal soon, because me myself took this extremely personal. Who don't can go and listen to my last song. I meant it all. I care. Hero. Pussy trying to be a hero. Cool. Let's say maybe the zip emoji on the mouth. So you can see my viewers and so it's getting personal, and we are going to do that to somebody channel where somebody works so hard for bill. You know what I mean? Some channels small, have small amount of subscribers, fans, some are big, and you strike them just because people are give them opinion on social media platform. But you don't know people are using him content or him whatever, so you're likely liable to get strike or take down. I kind of understand when I say I use him thing and this him and style him, which is true. You know what I mean? So you don't know my viewers and subscribers, so you think, guys. So I say, but let me know anything in the comment section still, you know. Yes, man. Yeah, man. Such man is really bitter, and it's like, you know, people I get to see say, this man are really, boy, I never know if you say, you see me? But yeah, vloggers, YouTubers, you have to just be careful and you've been warned, you know what I mean? Yes, my viewers and subscribers. So now, we're going to shed some light on prison, jailhouse. The use of physics at jailhouse, Nuh Nice, and then a better rose. Watch the local footage, and I'm going to talk underneath it. You see me? The brother does come out of jail, and you want to see him run, go hug up him woman. You see me? I say, I assume it's his woman, or, you know what I mean? Yeah. So watch what I go on. Yeah, man, so basically the brother here just come out of prison. I don't know how much time him do. I just saw the video and I just really have to put it out there, you know what I mean? And for the youths, I know Lion Foot work more time, you see me? So the brother here just released out of jail. I'm gonna like him do a long stretch, you see me? And you want to see when the man come through the big gate, you know, and see her, you know. Watch it, see him come out there now. Run, the man are running up. You see me? Run the man, run go hug her up, man, you see it, watch that. You see what I say? The man run go hug her up with viewers and subscribers. And I tell you, like the man miss her, you see it? When they're at jail, you're looking at bare man face. Straight man will lean. All sort of criminal will do all sort of different things, you see me? You have to be really strong in there. Enough man going to jail go mad. Enough man going to jail go lose them life. Enough man going to go turn fish. Is it my viewers and subscribers? So we just want to put this with the youth them see say, yo, jail is a nice thing, you know. See, I don't know how some man love jail, so is it? So no, some man doesn't come out and gone in back. So for the youths, them want to stay away from jail house, you know what I mean? Stay away from crime. If you end up in a jail, they just try change your life, get rehabilitated, and you know what I mean? You can go and go learn a trade, become a lawyer, doctor, whatever. That's what I say. You don't have to come up back to be the same hooligan, the same culprit. You know what I mean? Yes, the same bad man or gunman or whatever. You can be a changed person, pastor. You see what I say? So for the youths, them start to stay away from crime and violence because you know badness no pay. You see it? Look how that brother they run out of, boy, me I tell you, some man got to jail and them woman give her the nookie. Credit to that woman here come like it look like she roll out because she ended up come. See me forward at the jail come meet him for them release date, you see me so. Big up the woman them can hold it too, you know, so the man there at jail them a hold it. You see me I say? Because enough woman easily tempted. If you give her the nookie, you see me I say? Or left them man, go marry a different person, you see it so. Youths, so stay away from crime and violence, badness no pay. You see it, my viewers and subscribers, I don't know. A Lion Foot, I say big up on yourself, whole heap of love and vloggers, YouTubers, whatever. Be careful of such man. Alright, such man. Such man. I'm out. Not another word to me, I'm out.
Who feels it knows, who feels it knows. I love guys because they been hungry. We couldn't go to let you be shot at close.
Thanks for watching Lion Foot TV.